Ladies and gentlemen, the time has finally arrived. We finally got our Meta Quest 3 delivered this morning. So in this video, I'm going to be delivering you an unboxing, but expect a review coming, as well as a bunch of other videos. But first, a word from our sponsor. If you wear glasses like me, then you know VR sucks with spacers. Scratching those pancake lenses with your glasses is a no from me. That's why the sponsor of this video, VR Wave, is here to save you. Their Quest 3 lenses corrects nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. Even people with perfect vision can benefit from the blue light filter and the anti-glare lenses. They're easy to set up, tailored to your prescription, and they offer worldwide shipping. And to top it off, they're doing a Quest 3 pre-sale of $10 off. Order yours today at www.vr-wave.store. Let's get back into the video. So this is the Meta Quest 3, the official box. We'll give it a little twirl here, so you can take a look at yourself. It's fancy Meta logo as well on the top. We're not used to that with the Quest line. So yep, we've got a nice little ripperoo here. ASMR, it's like music to my ears. We got another rip. There it is. So we could simply slide it out to reveal the Meta Quest 3 text. This is just a grey box. And here it is, the beautiful 2-finger lift. It looks even better in person. We've been talking about this for months, and to see it in person is such an unreal experience. You can see right here, we've got the infographics about placing it on your head with the strap. So let's take a look at the right controller first. This thing, my first initial impressions is it does kind of feel like the Quest 2 controller without the hoop. It is a lot more comfortable and definitely easier access for my huge Donkey Kong hands, but it really does feel great. I'm really interested and excited to actually give these a go in virtual reality or mixed reality. So here we go, here's a little pull and here's some ASMR. We'll place that down for now and check out the other controller. Just make sure it feels the same in the other hand, and yeah, it feels the exact same in the other hand. The triggers feel good, the button feels good, even the grip feels good on the analog stick. So there's another pull for you, we'll put that aside. Now let's take a look at the beast itself, the Meta Quest 3. Wow, this thing is actually beautiful. It's so strange seeing it in person. We've got the insert right here, but finally seeing it, it really is quite thin compared to the Quest 2. It's such a small device. Having the eye guard, or like the black guard bit, doesn't do it justice with how thin it actually is. But there's the USB-C on the side and the power button. This is such a great device. The insert, if we just pull this out, you can see that there is two things on the lens covering them, protecting them. So we'll put this aside for now and we'll take a look at the little lifty box here at the back. With a simple push through and slide mechanic, it reveals our plug, cable, and 2 booklets. So yes, I am British, so this is the UK plug adapter. No bottle of waters, but here we go. It's quite a free pin, it's quite nice. It's got a weird sort of look to it. I haven't seen one in this shape before, so yeah, this is very nice, ergonomically smooth. I don't know what it's made out of, but yeah, that is a plug. That do be a plug, and a nice one. And then of course we got the USB-C to USB-C cable right there. Absolutely love that. This insert a little booklet with all the info, the infographics that you need. This is just one side showing you the headset, and then we got the other side with indicator lights and fiddly bits. A little safety booklet I would read to you, but would be here for the next 20 minutes. We'll snap this off real quick just to take a look at how thin this device actually is. You can see the raw performance that this gives for the size is incredible. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. We've got a review coming. We've got top 5 games. We've got so many videos on the way, so you don't want to miss out. Put those notifications on. Let me know if you've got your Quest 3 or not already. I appreciate you. Much love, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.